Everything you eat contains nutrients that act as molecular messengers, transferring instructions along these pathways to your cells. By isolating key nutrients, you can tap into your body's natural ability to send and receive information and create a specific response within your cells. This is the power of USANA Intelligence technology. Using scientifically developed blends of nutrients and plant extracts that target these distinct pathways to boost the signals that activate important health benefits, like improved mental clarity, a more robust immune response, and better defense against oxidative stress. This groundbreaking technology delivers exactly what your body needs to activate its
nutrients and peptides that talk to your skin cells to target your unique beauty needs. Celavive sends signals that energize your skin's beauty-preserving systems, unlocking your natural ability to fight the visible signs of aging. Nothing compares with the power of your own cells when it comes to maintaining maximum moisture from within. Nothing compares to the advanced communication that helps protect against the breakdown of your delicate, beautifying skin matrix. This is the real foundation of smooth, nourished, glowing skin. Experience long-lasting hydration. Notice visibly smoother texture, tone and firmness, all within the first 24 hours. No harsh chemicals, no parabens. Simply beautiful skin. So what are you waiting for?
For anything your day throws at you, and you don't have time to feel less than your best. But sometimes your immune system doesn't respond as quickly as you need it to, leaving you vulnerable when your life needs you the most. That's why USANA created ProGlucamune, which brings modern science to ancient Chinese wisdom. Stories have long been told of reishi and shiitake mushrooms, which were revered as symbols of immortality and longevity. Armies were sent in search of these specimens by generations of emperors who relied on their fortifying powers. Now we know why. Beta-glucans, powerful molecules which bind to your immune cells and help unlock their natural protective abilities. In order for your immune system to become fully activated, immune cells require multiple signals from invaders in your body. Beta-glucans act as one of these signals. ProGlucamune works by priming your healthy immune response before threats are detected, preparing you for the stresses of your day. Proglucomune's Intelligence beta-glucan complex includes organically grown, antioxidant-rich reishi and shiitake mushrooms and a proprietary form of natural baker's yeast with immune-boosting benefits backed by $300 million in scientific studies. And zinc, an essential part of a healthy, energetic immune system. Fortify yourself against the challenges and stresses of life with Proglucomune. We've packed it with our best because we know that life needs you at your best all the time. So join the millions of people around the world, including thousands of elite athletes who have trusted their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition, USANA.
Indulge your skin with 7 days of moisturizing beauty treatments in one 20-minute application with Celaviv's Hydrating and Lifting Sheet Mask. Infused with the science of USANA Intelligence technology and our most advanced botanical blend, Celaviv's Cell Signaling Complex goes beyond traditional skincare by supporting your body's natural ability to fight aging from within for incredibly youthful-looking skin. Soothe, rejuvenate, nourish, protect, brighten, and plump your appearance with the beautifying power of Celaviv's Hydrating and Lifting Sheet Mask. Only from USANA. With the beautifying power of Celaviv's Hydrating and Lifting Sheet Mask.
Clean teeth and fresh breath can give you the confidence to get close, but there's more to oral health than temporary minty freshness. It's about balancing the delicate ecosystem inside your mouth.
You're my favorite. I'm gonna like it. You're my favorite.
Now, there's a simple way to do it. First, brush your teeth with our fluoride-free whitening toothpaste to reduce surface stains, while postbiotic ADP1 attracts impurities and gently washes them away. After brushing at bedtime, dissolve our minty fresh oral probiotic in your mouth to replenish your microflora and balance your oral ecosystem. Out with the bad, in with the good. It's that simple. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher mouth right away and better oral health in the long run.
They call it love.
With USANA's whitening toothpaste and oral probiotic. After brushing at bedtime, dissolve our minty fresh oral health in the long run. USANA's whitening toothpaste and oral probiotic.
This is a cell. Pretty simple, right? But you'd be amazed by how much energy and power this one cell requires to function. And it takes billions of these hard-working cells just to keep your heart pumping each and every day. In fact, because the very fabric of your entire body is made up of trillions of power-hungry cells, it's easy to see why maintaining proper cellular energy is so important. That's why your body produces coenzyme Q10, a vitamin-like substance critical for generating the energy your cells need. But as you age, your production and absorption of CoQ10 naturally declines and may further decline with the use of some statin drugs or if your diet doesn't include meat or seafood. Over time, low levels of cellular energy can be detrimental to your overall health, including your heart, liver, and brain. That's why you need USANA's Coquinone 30, a highly absorbable CoQ10 supplement to power your cells and help you feel youthful, healthy, and energized. Coquinone 30 is delivered in one convenient soft gel capsule and is clinically shown to optimize delivery of CoQ10 to the bloodstream. Not only that, Coquinone 30 outshines the competition by including alpha-lipoic acid, a super antioxidant that helps support healthy function of the mitochondria, the power plants within each cell. Fused with CoQ10, alpha-lipoic acid helps to revitalize your cells and keep you feeling young at heart. USANA's Coquinone 30, the most convenient, most effective way to support your body's cellular energy production. So join the millions of people around the world, including over 700 elite athletes who have trusted their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition, USANA. Who have trusted their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition, USANA.
Your digestive system is like an assembly line. Actually, it's more like a disassembly line, where food is broken down and nutrients are absorbed. But you may not realize what runs this disassembly line. Bacteria. That's right, living bacteria. And that's a good thing. Your body actually needs what we call friendly bacteria to keep your digestive system functioning properly. But sometimes this friendly bacteria is overrun, leaving unhealthy bacteria free to throw your digestive system off track. It runs too fast or too slow, causing all sorts of discomfort. And you may be missing out on the vital nutrients your body needs. That's why you need USANA Probiotic, the world's most trusted source of friendly bacteria to restore balance to your gut and keep your digestive system on the right track. Not only that, but with up to 80% of your immune cells also living in your gut, USANA Probiotic interacts with your immune system, working to strengthen your natural defenses and helping to prevent toxins from harming your body. USANA Probiotic delivers 12 billion units of viable bacteria in one dose. Each strain is clinically studied and proven to survive the harsh acidic environment of the stomach and reach the proper destination. And unlike those popular probiotic yogurts and other store-bought beverages, USANA Probiotic has no sugar or milk, doesn't require refrigeration, and has an impressive shelf life of more than 18 months, all with a flavor you can enjoy. Take it straight from the stick pack or mix it with your favorite food or drink, and you can take it with you wherever you go. USANA Probiotic, the easiest, most convenient way to maintain healthy immune function and keep your digestive system working properly. So join the millions of people around the world, including over 700 elite athletes who have trusted their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition, USANA. Trusted their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition, USANA.
Fish. You know they're good for you. They have awesome benefits, and if you eat the right fish, they can support your cardiovascular, brain, eye, and joint health. That's because they're loaded with omega-3s. But here's the catch. To get the recommended amount of omega-3s each week, your diet would need to consist of fish, fish, and more fish, which unfortunately can also contain dangerous contaminants like mercury. As a result, it can be difficult to minimize these hazardous toxins while still getting the right amount of omega-3s your body desperately needs. That's why you need USANA's Biomega, the perfect combination of both EPA and DHA omega-3s in a safe, pure formula with no detectable contaminants. That's because Biomega undergoes an impressive double molecular distillation process. In fact, it has been tested and certified by NSF International, a leading provider of independent product test results. And because Biomega is manufactured through sustainable practices and renewable resources, you can feel good about taking a supplement that doesn't harm the environment. And get this, compared to other products on the market, Biomega is fortified with vitamin D, has no fishy aftertaste, and provides more than 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA in only 2 capsules. USANA's Biomega, one of the best fish oil products you can choose to support cardiovascular, brain, eye, and joint health. So join the millions of people around the world, including over 600 elite athletes who trust their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition. USANA, your health, your life, your way. USANA, your health, your life, your way.
For the healthiest meals, making greasy fast food a likely option. But what if you could eat healthy without all the hassle and without the hefty price tag? USANA offers a delicious variety of meal replacement shakes to suit your busy lifestyle. No matter what your needs, there's something for you. Just mix a few, and because it's low glycemic, Nutrimeal will keep you feeling fuller longer to help you meet your weight loss goals. All with flavors you're sure to love, like the rich, velvety indulgence of Dutch chocolate, the delightfully sweet flavor of wild USANA Nutrimeal, made just for you. So join the millions of people around the world, including over 600 elite athletes who trust their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition. USANA, your health, your life, your way. Millions of people around the world, including over 600. Everyone wants to eat healthy, but in the fast-paced world we all live in, healthy eating doesn't always come easy. There's little time to prepare, let alone shop for the healthiest meals, making greasy fast food a likely option. But what if you could eat healthy without all the hassle and without the hefty price tag? USANA offers a delicious variety of meal replacement shakes to suit your busy lifestyle. No matter what your needs, there's something for you. Just mix a few scoops of USANA Nutrimeal with water or a beverage of your choice, and you're good to go. Each shake is gluten-free, loaded with protein, costs less than the fast food alternative, and because it's low glycemic, Nutrimeal will keep you feeling fuller longer to help you meet your weight loss goals. All with flavors you're sure to love, like the rich, velvety indulgence of Dutch chocolate, the delightfully sweet flavor of wild strawberry, and the mild, enticing taste of French vanilla. Each flavor is scientifically formulated, offering your body unparalleled on-the-go nourishment. In fact, they taste so good, you might forget just how healthy they really are. USANA Nutrimeal, made just for you. So join the millions of people around the world, including over 600 their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition. USANA, your health, your life, your way.
For sure, I just did my daily routine. Then, the part friend ako from Manila, he was really determined to really win. Sino yung partner mo? Si Jasper. Ano siya, downline mo siya? Crossline? Crossline kayo? Ba't hindi yung mentor mo ang sinali mo? Mentor your son? Then after that, was really persistent, calling me. Kailangan diet pa, gano'n. Pero, parang 2 weeks after ng deadline ng Atlas, we'll be climbing mo. Mahirap na. So, sabi ko, if I don't get serious about this, walang helicopter magkuha sa akin. Mas ako ba? Pag naimatay ka sa mga. Tapos siya sa hindi pwede na. So, 2 weeks before the deadline, I really need to the time is si mama na sa Davao na si was with Coach Katz. They were doing exercise. So, anak ko na I just stay sa Cebu. So I went back to Davao and I have different I have the program in Cats. It's like five sets. Pero ang ako exercise is different from and ang yaya na join na lang po. Friends na join si Cats pa sa college ay mupukaw sa kwarto. I also allow him to do that para I will also be challenged. Every morning he goes every other day he goes to our house. Pero first week, ang second week is every day na may. So, it became pero siya, said 10 minutes and we go for 20 minutes. Kaya na siya na climbing Mount Apo and we don't have enough training. So, he my exercise to my but hindi daw fast so ito na ako you really need to be intentional what you want to achieve and to sa coach sa answer do you want to happen and the chance is you practice So he introduced me to a sports na physical therapist. So he paid 1,000 check ang body. Baka hindi ko so ito po ako na you cannot get everything na okay na dito lagi makaayo. There's some good na for sure kailangan get to rehab. Davao so okay, di siya severe for me because hindi ko na siya the moment I ask help, it's very important. The moment I ask help, correct sa Cats, this is the exercise na pwede ko siya exercise mo yung put down, pwede siya para dili daw madami siya after that, nag-crushing na sarap ko ikaw yung liit ba? Ang pinaka-amazing yun is dito ginawa na test ba? It didn't have kind of preparation for even a guide, mga porters, organize. And sa last day, the first day 7 hours hikes, second day is 12 hours hike, 8 hours at descending, 4 hours at going down. So ang going down is very difficult. You are making movies after mahulog yun ka. Then there are ways Go home. And mga last 2 hours, at I was already running going down with my bag. Yes, bukod kamay, then lagay. I was so shocked. So, ito na ako na-test na if you really ask them, like people, you will really get answers. And big that but I became confused ba? So I don't want to be deprived. Ikaw mo luto ba? Effect po sa kurban. Ito time na yun sa ano to dito sa moron bulay. If you exercise too much, you will lose weight, but you won't lose the fat. Diet lang ka, important di parang protein. Yeah, because pag may protein, wala kang protein, vitamin protein, shrink ang muscles, okay ka. Ibalas ako siya dati protein. Because I thought this was
Wow! Oh, gahina!
Mag-reform pa. Then, 2 days ago, I was able to finish my 100 sit-ups.
100, ilan lang kaya mo sa isang?
For 7 minutes.
I mean, 100 na push-up, dire-diretso? 100, dire-diretso? So hindi siya yung set-set?
Sabi ko, gusto 2020, sa cuts. Mapagod ka, 100 agad.
100?
So, 7 minutes push-ups, 8 minutes sit-ups, then 100 on air squats, then jump rope na 5 minutes. Jump rope kamay na agad. Okay, this is skills dapat. But I was able to execute it the standard minutes. So, motivation na siya sa
twice a day. So sa gabi, ano exercise mo sa gabi?
Ano?
Digo tayo.
Ano gagawin siya?
Yun ang maganda pag may coach. Di ba siya ang coach ni Eileen Diaz?
21 reps, thrusters, burpees, 15.
Yan ang gabi, pang-gabi yan.
So, alam ko kung medyo awake lang gamay ba na, enough lang matay ng muscles na even. So, 21 after 15.
Baka natin si Coach siya. Thank you so much, brother, for your sharing. Di rin na lang kayo sa harap, mga friends, para hindi na tayo masyadong magkasigara dito sa kanila. So technically, ang pag-uusapan natin right now, okay, di rin na lang kayo. Di rin na lang kami sa harap. So lahat ba tayo naka-register sa 28-day challenge? Sino ang naka-register? Sino naka-register? 1, 2, sino pa? 3, 4, 5. Kati naka-register, delete. Lawrence, naka-register ka. 8. Si Tita, tsaka how about yung coach? Naka-register. Okay. Ngayon, coaches, ganito ang ngayon, friends, ganito ang gagawin natin, ha? Okay. Magkakaroon tayo ng same page. Mentor Regan, Mentor Tanya, I encourage you to do a group chat sa mga downlines nyo nakasama sa 28-day challenge. Okay? Bakit po, friends? Ito yan, ha? Under my organization, merong 20 na sumali. So, dagan-dagan kami. Okay? Okay? Pero ang goal namin, non-negotiable. Kailangan makalus kami ng 10 pounds sa body fat. Okay? So ngayon, friends, anong strategy dyan? Ang strategy po sa pag-lose ng weight, you need to start strong. Okay, you need to start strong. You need to be disciplined in the middle, but you need to finish stronger at the end. Ano kasi ang problema ng mga sumasali sa mga weight loss challenge? Iniisip nila na, tomorrow na lang ako mag-start. Yung mga ganyan eksena. No. The stronger you start, okay, the more excited you are. Ngayong question, how can you start strong? Kailangan meron kayong accountability. Nung inaral ko yung last 28-day challenge, nanalo si Lawrence, yung partner niya, you know what I've found out? Merong isa talaga sa partner na grabe yung commitment. Meron talagang grabe yung commitment. Yung isa medyo, sabihin natin na average lang, pero yung isa talaga kumbate. Yung isa talaga magre-remind na, you need to exercise or you need to watch your diet. Nakuha niyo po. So ngayon, ang ginagawa namin sa tribe namin, which is, gagawin natin sa gagawin ng tribe, Mentor Regan and Mentor Tan. Every day, pinopost namin kung ano yung kinakain namin. So for example, ngayon, ipopost ko, ito yung kakainin ko, this is my dinner. Wala na, tomorrow na ang next kong kain. Okay? Tapos, pinopost din namin kung ano yung exercise namin for the day. Okay? So, remember this, friends, huwag mong tignan yung goal mo. Ang tignan mo yung habit mo. Kasi kung sakto yung habit mo, the goal will follow. Now, the problem is this. If you're trying to do this alone, mahirapan ka. I will repeat that. If you're trying to do this alone, mahirapan ka. Kailangan may community. Okay? Kaya encourage Mentor Tanya, Mentor Regan tonight. Gawa na kayo ng group chat nyo and please include me. And then every day mag-check tayo. Ang goal natin every week kailangan 1 kilo. So kung hindi nyo kaya, stop na natin yung training. Out na tayo. So kaya ba? Yes or no?
Yes!
Ay, walang passion. Kaya ba 1 kilo per week?
Yes!
Okay, very good. Please stop the person to your right. Sabi mo sa kanya, 1 kilo. Go.
1 kilo!
Stop the person to your left, 1 kilo.
1 kilo!
Non-negotiable yan. Okay, alam nyo, ito, bigyan ko kayo ng strategy. Bigyan ko kayo ng technique, friend. Kasi ako, kami ni Mentor RM, especially ako, friend, mabilis akong mag-gain, pero mabilis din ako mag-lose. Okay, so inaral ko siya, paano ako mabilis mag-lose? Simple lang, dapat meron ka lang activity, meron ka lang fasting. Okay? Every week, ang pinaka-advisable na weight loss is at least 0.5 kilo. That's roughly 2.2 pounds. That's the most healthy way. Okay? Pero right now, may inahabol man tayo. 28 days lang tayo. Nakuha niyo po yung point? Kaya ang goal natin is 1 kilo per week. Para tayo dyan. Okay. Ngayon, what if ganito ang mangyari? Lahat tayo nakakapag-lose ng 1 kilo per week. Okay. Tapos sabihin na natin si Myra hindi nakapag-lose. Meron siyang consequence. Ganyan ang ginawa namin. Meron ang consequence. Kasi bakit di ka nag-lose ng 1 kilo? Yung iba nag-lose. Ikaw hindi ka nag-lose. Ibig sabihin, doon sa 6 days na yon, meron kang day na hindi ka naging discipline. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Alam niyo, based on research, it takes 28 days to establish a good habit. Kaya tandaan niyo yung 28-day challenge, hindi yan inisip lang ng isa. Now, 28-day tayo. Lahat yan merong rationale. Connected yan. Now, the good thing is this, if you will be engaged with your habit for your physique, yung hataw moment, it will follow. Okay? So ngayon yung pag-uusapan natin, napag-uusapan na natin ito, I think last year, Mentor Tanya. Pero right now, I want to emphasize this. Okay? I really want to emphasize this and I really want you to share this with your business partners. Let's start first, friends, with syempre, Bible verse muna tayo. For you are bought with a price, therefore glorify God in your body and your spirit, which are God. So always remember, friends, how we use our body, okay, that is also what we call stewardship. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Kaya friends, naniniwala ako dun sa what you eat, that can define who you are. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Okay? So kung mahilig ka sa sweet, isa kang sweet na tao. Okay? Mabilis kang kukunin ni Lord. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Because right now, friends, I will tell you sa mga nanonood po sa akin right now, ang poison right now, it's not the mercury. Maliwanag, it's not the lead. The poison right now is already sugar. Sabi po ng oncologist na friend ko, what are the two things that contribute, okay, to the cancer evolution right now? Dalawa pong S. The first is sugar. The second is sleeping pattern. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Sleeping pattern. Kung masyadong mataas ang sugar mo sa katawan, it can contribute to the development of cancer. Kung meron kang sleep, okay, deprivation, hindi tama sleeping pattern, it can cause to the development of cancer. Sleep and sweet, kailangan yung ayusin. Kaya right now, friends, kailangan yung sleeping pattern tama. Kasi sleeping pattern can enhance your metabolism. Pag-usapan natin yung susunod. Okay. Now, I want you to take note of this para sa mga lalaki. So, Mentor Riga, nasan ka na dyan? Nasa 8? Very good. I want you, that this is the first thing that we need to understand. Nasaan na tayo as of the moment? 30. How about ikaw, Mentor Lawrence? 25. Okay. Ako po, as I check my body fat, nandun din ako sa 25. Ngayon, friends, ito po yan. Ano po ang sabi sa healthy? Ang healthy is between acceptable sa lalaki po. Kaya po, friends, sa mga bana, okay, check mo na yung bilbil ng asawa mo. Check their physique. The normal acceptable is 20 to 25. That's acceptable. Ang 10 to 15 athletic. Okay? Ang 8% na yung mga sumasali ng mga bodybuilding. Okay? This is for athletic. This is hard. Okay? This is hard to maintain. Okay? This is acceptable. Okay? This is obese, overweight. This is obesity. Paliwanag. Okay. Ngayon, ganito. Sa babae, ito naman sa babae. So, tanongin natin isa-isa. Coach na, saan ka na dyan, coach? Number lang. 25. Boss siya. Tapos si Myra. 30? 35. Okay, si Tita. 40. Okay, how about ikaw, coach? 25. 25. 45? Saan ka, friend? 35 ka? Ano ilan sa'yo? 30? Yan, sa picture ba? Pero anong body fat percentage mo? Ilan? 35? So, pag-usapan natin yung later. How about si Mentor Tanya? 34. Okay. Anong normal sa babae? Anong normal sa babae? Yung acceptable daw. Ano to? Ang normal sa babae, at least friends, nasa 25 to 30. That's acceptable. Acceptable yan, ha? Okay. Pero lagi niyong tandaan, ang acceptable papunta na sa overweight. Maliwanag. Going to obese. Now, friend, always remember this para po hindi niyo makakalimutan to. Okay? The bigger your central fat. Ulitin ko, ha? The bigger your central fat or the visceral fat. Kasi napansin ko, friends, sa mga non-medical person, hindi nila makuha masyado yung visceral fats. But if you will tell them the central fats, alam nila that's the abdomen. Maliwanag. Remember this. The bigger your central fats, the more health condition vulnerable ka. I will repeat that. The bigger your central fat, maliwanag ha, the more you are vulnerable for medical condition. And number one health condition is what? Heart. Cardiovascular diseases. Remember that. Pag mas malaki yung visceral fats, mas mataas ang chances na magkaroon ng mga cardiovascular diseases. Bakit po? Dito ko lang nalaman. Alam niyo, friends, sorry for the words. Kinarir ko kasi itong research sa 20 Day Challenge. What are the things na pwede natin gawin? dito ko po nalaman na ang visceral fats pala, it can stimulate hormones. Nakuha niyo po yung point? It can stimulate hormones. Now, pag nag-stimulate siya ng hormones, isa sa mga pinapababa niya is yung insulin. So what happened pag bumaba yung insulin natin, nag-spike up yung sugar, which is very, very delikado. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Now, the question is this, Mentor, I think I am lean. Payat naman ako. Pero bakit ang taas ng body fat percentage ko? You have to understand, body fat percentage is not just body fat. Okay? Meron niyang proportion sa muscle mass. So, ibig sabihin, kung payat ka, pero mataas yung body fat mo, ibig sabihin, yung muscle mass mo, konti. Or in layman's term, you have a depleted muscle tone. Hindi maganda. Hindi maganda. Hindi maganda. One of the most powerful muscle natin is our abdominal muscle. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Kaya based on my research, one of the best exercise every morning is kailangan meron kang abdominal exercise. Kaya nga po, friends, yung burpees, dito ko lang nalaman, burpees is a very, very good exercise. Sa mga lalaki, kung hindi ka nakakapag-10 push-up ng dire-diretso in a day, you have a weak muscle tone. Sa mga lalaki. Sa mga babae, if you cannot do at least 3 to 5 push-up every day, you have a weak muscle tone. Hindi po ako galit. Sa mga di po ako galit, nag-explain lang. Are you learning so far? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. So, importante po, friends, naman, gets natin ta. Okay? Now, let's move forward. Okay. So, ito po, friends, these are the ranges. Okay? So, sabi ko nga po kanina, para po sa mga woman, at least nasa 20 to, dapat nga po, 25 to 35. Okay, dyan ang range mo. Okay? Pag umabot ka, pero syempre, nandito pa kayo Tama? 20 to 39. So, dapat nasa 20 to at least 30 ka lang. Pag umabot ka ng 35, that's not good. Papunta ka na sa overweight. Then, going to obese. Sa mga lalaki naman po, friends, dapat dapat nandito lang tayo, friends. Pag 29 to 39, dapat at least nasa 15 to 20. Okay? Pag nagto-25 ka, medyo delikado na rin. Okay? Kaya ang goal talaga natin at least nasa 10, 15, 20 body fat percentage. Are we learning so far? Okay. Now, let's move forward. So, anong problema pag mataas ang iyong visceral fats or central fats? Ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina. Friends, obesity, coronary, stroke, diabetes, cancer, dementia, arthritis, sleep disorder, sexual dysfunction, depression, and hormonal health issues, especially po sa mga babae. Friends, based on research, pag mas mataas ang central fat sa mga babae, mas mataas ang percentage na magkaroon sa tinatawag na PCOS. Contributing factor ang central obesity sa mga babae. Okay? So always remember, friends, once we release this, okay, ang visceral fats kasi, hindi siya yung nasa outer. Siya yung nasa inner. Actually, ang visceral fats, friends, importante siya. Kasi yan yung tumutulong sa mga internal organs to be in place. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Kaya nga ito po yan, friends, I encourage you, you really need to take the Nutri-Mill program. Bakit po? Yung 28-day challenge, meron siyang downside. Okay, meron siyang downside. I'll tell you what's the downside. Kasi kinausap ko dito si Ma'am Joyce. Sabi ko kay Ma'am Joyce, ilan yung na-lose nung last time? So, sobrang taas daw. Okay? The problem kasi, friends, sa 28 days, masyadong maiksi. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Masyadong maiksi, pero ang ganda ng travels. So, kung meron kang associate na kumbate talaga, na talagang ilalaban, tapos malalaman nila na yung last 28-day challenge winner, okay, nag-lose ng 20, ilan ang nag-lose ng first? Pinakauna? Ilan? 22. Pero dalawa na sila na, diba? Combined din. 17. So imagine nyo, kung 22 ang na-lose, Okay? At sumali sila ngayon, may habit na yun, mas madali na sila mag-lose. Tama? Ngayon, kung lalabanan natin sila, nakuha niyo po yung point, ang takot ko dito is yung tinatawag natin ptosis. Ano yung ptosis? The visceral fats, they are very, very important to hold on the different organs, especially the liver, the pancreas, the kidney. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Pag merong sudden, okay, change of visceral fats, pag biglang naubos yan, nakuha niyo po yung point. What happened? Yung ptosis, sagging of organ, babagsak yung organ, especially the kidney. Ang kidney, kailangan nila ng visceral fats. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Ngayon, question, bakit naman siya safe? Okay, bakit? Kasi hindi naman ipapagawa ng sana kung hindi safe, tama? Pero bakit siya safe? Kahit 28-day challenge, bakit sobrang safe pa din siya? Because of the Nutrimil. Because Nutrimil promotes the muscle tone, the protein. Nakuha niyo po yung point. So, anong ibig sabihin? Kahit na nauubos po yung mga visceral fats, yung mga muscle tone ng abdominal muscle tone mo, gumaganda, now-hold in place pa rin nila yung mga organs. Do you follow? Do you follow? Kaya friends, ano po ang sabi ni Ma'am Joyce? Okay, hindi ka pa pwedeng sumali sa 28-day challenge kung hindi ka nag-take ng Nutrimil. Hindi pwede. Kami ni Metro RN buka. Morning tsaka evening. Ang lunch namin talagang food. Ako kasi friend right now, naka-adjust na yung metabolism ko. Dati kasi, morning, Nutrimil, lunch, rice, brown rice, and then dinner, ito. Ngayon po ang first meal ko talaga, 12. 12 na. Sanay na ako. Alam ko na yung, ang hunger may cycle yan. Alam ko na yung cycle ko. Magugutom ako ng 8 o'clock. Pero alam ko after 30 minutes, mawawala. So what will I do? Iinom ako ng maraming tubig sa 8 o'clock. Ang next cycle ko, 10 o'clock a.m. Alam ko magugutom ako ng 10 o'clock. So what will I do? Iinom ako ng maraming tubig. Ang next cycle ko, 12, doon ako kakain. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Friends, remember this. You have to own your body. And owning your body means knowing your bodies. Your body structure. Dapat sensitive ka sa katawan mo. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Dapat alam mo na may mga bukol na tumutubo sa iyo. Dapat alam mo na may bagong lumalabas na mga nunal. Dapat alam mo yan. Dapat alam mo din yung metabolism mo. Do you follow? Dapat alam mo kung hanggang kailan. Ito po. Pag nag-exercise ka and you cannot sing already, maliwanag, because you're too tired, you need to rest. Do you follow? For example, sa basketball namin right now, sa basketball namin, isa po ako sa mga nag-organize, Ateneo Perez. Sabi ko sa kanila, syempre may mga edad na. Nakuha niyo po, Ateneo Perez. Ang lagi sinasabi sa kanila, brothers, if you're so tired that you cannot sing already, kahit one script lang, like, why do birds, ganyan ka na, you need to rest. Ibig sabihin, your heart cannot compensate, okay, the energy na kailangan niyang ilabas right now. Are you with me? Yes or no? Yes. Learning so far. Okay. So right now, I want you to know, kamusta yung cycle mo, yung hunger cycle mo. Dapat alam mo din yan. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Okay? Learning so far, yes or no? Very.
Yes.
Parang gutom na kayo. Learning so far, yes or no?
Yes.
Friends, very, very important ang 28-day challenge. Nakuha niyo po? Every morning, 70% of my job is already done before 12. Sobra. 70%. 70%. Na-monitor ko na yung mga business partners ko, nakapag-quiet time na ako, nakabasa na ako ng libro. Alam niyo po kung bakit? One of the best way, pag sanay yung katawan sa fasting lead to focus. Grabe ang focus. Yung focus na hindi mo pwedeng tigilan hanggang di natatapos. Grabe. And before friends, nung medyo obese ako, dahil parang masyado akong tamad. Parang kulang yung focus level, Na parang ang bilis mo ma-distract, ay kakain muna ako sandali. Ganyan. Nakuha niyo po, pero pag nakuha mo yung fasting, naging part talaga siya ng activity of daily living mo, grabe ang focus, grabe ang concentration. Nakuha niyo po. Learning so far, yes or no? Very good. Now, one of the reason kung bakit tumataas po yung ating focus every time we fast, tumataas din yung hormone na tinatawag na serotonin. Nakuha niyo po, and that is an hormone neurotransmitter responsible for concentration. Para tayo? Okay. Now, let's move forward. Nasaan ba karamihan ang fat? Kaya maganda yung in-body natin kasi nakikita nasaan yung distribution of fat. Karamihan po nasa central. Okay. That's what you call central obesity, visceral obesity, or the belly fat. Tawag din po dyan ng iba, especially sa mga nag-gym, stubborn fat. Kasi ang hirap niyang tunawin. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Kaya nga friends, ito po yan. Sino po dito ang nagbe-breakfast? With all honesty. Breakfast. Okay, good. Breakfast. What time nagbe-breakfast, coach? Kita. 8. Sino pa nagbe-breakfast? Coach Carl. 9. How about ikaw, coach? 8:30. 9. Mentor Tanya. Billy. Jenny, nagbe-breakfast pa? Hindi na. Okay. Para po sa mga, pero si Tita hindi pwede ha. Kasi si Tita, meron kang condition. Si Tita kailangan ng saktong glucose level every morning to sustain her energy. Para po sa mga sa akin friends, nakuha niyo po, make this year a goal, okay, na paunti-unti, tinatanggal na natin si breakfast. Nakuha niyo po yung point. I'm not against the breakfast, ha? Pero i-mindset na natin yung sarili natin na kailangan gradually binabawasan mo na yung kain mo sa breakfast. Na magugulat ka na lang one day, hindi mo na talaga tinitake ang breakfast. Bakit po? Friends, remember this. Fasting leads to what we call autophagy. Importante nyo malaman yan. Fasting leads to what you call autophagy. Okay? Nung last meeting namin ni Janine, nag-one-on-one kami, sabi niya, Mentor, parang pumuti yung face mo. Sabi niya sa akin, syempre, c'est la vie. Okay? Malaking factor na si c'est la vie. Hindi lahat, ha? Serum lang ako. Pero ang laking factor kasi ng autophagy. Maliwanag? Sinasanay ko po talaga yung katawan ko na merong 20 hours fasting. Pag nandun ka sa autophagy stage, what happened? Grabe ang cell regeneration. Tapos ito pa yan, friends. Bombardin mo ng cell essentials, bombardin mo ng coenzyme Q10, tapos meron pang autophagy, what happened to you? Age reversal process. Kaya lagi yung sinasabi sa mga kasama ko sa basketball na hindi pa nag-iusana. Sabi ko talaga, meron kaming program. Ano yung program ng age reversal process? Ano yung age? Curious sila. No, ano yung age reversal process? Kasi age is just a number. But habit can prevent you from aging. Sakto? I will repeat that. Ha? Age is just a number, but your habit can prevent you from aging. Ito na lang, bigyan ko na lang kayo ng, para mas kiligin kayo. Alam niyo po alam niyo F4. Kilala niyo si Dao Mingsu. Nag-viral, di ba? Ilan taon na si Dao Mingsu? Mid-40s, nasa 45 up na siya. Tama, pero tingnan niyo yung tsura. Huwag yung tignan yung balat. Huwag yung tignan yung balat, friends. Yun yung lagi nating tinitignan. Tinitingnan nyo agad yung balat. Huwag yung tignan yung balat. Tignan nyo yung BMI. Tignan nyo yung physique. Doon ka magsimula. Kasi pag nakita mong sobrang taba, pero sobrang bata, may magic yan. Pero pag nakita mong ang ganda ng lawas, sakto yung BMI, tapos glowing yung skin, doon mo makikita tama yung habit. Merong age reversal process. Meron pang isang Korean model, I think nasa 55 years old na siya. Di ko alam yung pangalan niya, pero nakita ko nag-viral din siya. Grabe yung katawan, sobrang ganda. Nakuha niyo po yung point. So what is my point here, friends? Be intentional. Okay? Naalala ko na yung pangalan. Regan Peke. O, sino? See? Si Rain. Si Rain. 2002. 2002, nanonood na ako ng ano yung palabas, Full House. High school pa ako noon. Ay, huwag na tayong lumayo. Yolo Pascual. Huwag na tayong lumayo. Huwag na tayong lumayo. O, sino? Roses. Kita mo si Yolo Pascual pag dumaan sa may Banilan, nakita mo yung nakaganyan siya? Friends, hindi ko sinasabi dito na habulin natin magka-apps. No. What I'm saying here is this. Take care of your body, then your body will take care of you. Now, let's move forward. Ito po. I truly encourage you that every day you need to take this. Okay? So, question. What product of active supplement ang nagpo-promote ng tinatawag nating thermogenesis? If you know the answer, raise your hand. Anong product ang nagkukos ng thermogenesis? Platicodon, green tea, hesperidin, or naringin? Active na, saksak. Gusto mo? Ito po yung friends, ay serious. On a serious note, pag tinig mo po ang active calcium, ang una mong pag tinig mo ang active plus, ang una mong mararamdaman is iinit yung katawan mo. Okay? Kaya importante na pag nag-take ka ng active plus, kailangan may movement ka. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Okay, ngayon question. Bakit umiinit yung katawan mo? Because there is what we call thermogenesis. Merong burning sa loob na nangyayari. At nakakatuwa po, ano yung burn niya? The central fats. The visceral fats. The active plus supplement directly impact the visceral fat. The question is this, anong ingredient? Is it the platicodon, the green tea extract, the hesperidin, or the naringin? If you know the answer, raise your hand.
Yes.
Okay, guess lang, no problem. Hesperidin, very good. Hesperidin is wrong. Ano po? Naringin, very good. Naringin is wrong again. O, dalawa na lang yun, ha? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Very good. Green tea extract is the correct answer. Raise your hand. Meron pa tayo dito mga surprise. Meron pa tayo. Para may grand prize eh. Grand prize, oh. Okay na na! Okay, baka pag sayo, raise your hand! Oh my God. Are we learning so far? Okay. Ngayon, ganito yan. Napaka-importante po that you're taking the active test. Okay? Very, very important. Bakit po? What are the function of Active Plus? Number one, support normal weight management, helps to provide energy from green tea extract, and includes antioxidant naringin and hesperidin. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Ngayon, question. Pag sinabing natin provide energy, sabi ko nga po sa inyo, meron siya tinatawag na thermogenesis. Okay? And the burning process happens in your central fats. Because fats provides energy. You understand? Fats provides energy or produce energy. Okay, ngayon question. Ano yung goal natin this year? Breakfast maging mas ma-break natin si breakfast. Tama? Fasting tayo kita sa'yo. Kailangan at least meron tayo. Very, very important. Now, pag na-skip na natin ang breakfast, nagpa-fast na tayo, maliwanag, what's our next goal? Kailangan meron kayong exercise every morning. Because exercise every morning without food, maliwanag ha, it directly burn the visceral fats. Tapos samahan mo pa ng green tea extract, grabe ang visceral fats. Yeah. Basta maraming fluid. Ako friends, ang gawa ko po every morning, I do basketball every morning. Okay? Then nagtatake ako ng active class. 2 tab. And then, ang first meal ko talaga 12. Nakuha niyo po. So, grabe talaga. In 1 week, makikita mo talaga na parang, parang lumili talaga yung mga love handles na. Klaro tayo. Okay? Now, dissect natin ng konti. Platicodon, it is a powerful antioxidant that has an anti-obesity effect and lower overall body cholesterol. Platicodon. Anti-obesity. Okay? That's platicodon. Number 2, meron tayong naringin. Ang naringin, reducing visceral fat, blood glucose, and blood lipid. Ang mga lipid, yan po yung mga fats na kumakapit sa blood vessel that causes plaque formation. Do you follow? The good thing about naringin, reducing visceral fat. So imagine your friend, platicodon, okay, naringin, ano yung tina-target nila? Fats and lipids. Learning so far. Okay, next, another one. Hesperidin, increased glucose metabolism. So meron kang platicodon, meron kang naringin that really affect direct, okay, your visceral fats, your lipid, at meron kang hesperidin na pinapataas yung glucose metabolism. Pag sinabi mong glucose metabolism, kino-convert niya kaagad into energy. Kasi ang glucose, pag hindi siya na-convert agad into energy, it can be deposited to the fats. Are you with me? So pag na-convert ka agad ang glucose into energy, what happened? Nababawasan yung fat deposition. Pero ang pinakagusto ko po, green tea extract. Because of what we call thermogenesis, that burns the calories and that also produce. Kaya for me friends, active class, it should be part of your daily system. Importante sa active class.
Malapit lang sabi niya, tigil na.
Sana all kaya ng problem. Then parang bilis bumaba ng weight ko. Yun ang problem ko. Sana all, friend. Ang question ko dyan, friend, is, pag nag-active class ka, meron ka bang exercise? Okay. Ano yung body fat percentage? 25. Muscle mass. 36. Percentage. Sa dashboard. Kaya ang ganda ng body, no? O, dashboard. Check the body mass. Yung sa gitna ko. Yan, yan. 36. So, ano nakalagay dyan? Below average. Pakibasa po, coach? Below average. So, alam mo na kung anong ibig sabihin. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, friends, kailangan magdagdag ng activities. Muscle. Importante. Alam niyo po, sa age natin right now, ano ba yung mga average age natin right now? Nasa 30 plus tayo na. Tandaan niyo po, friends, pag nag-40 and above, okay, may tinatawag ng muscle tone sagging. Ano yung muscle tone sagging? Sagging, S-A-G-G-I-N-G. Sagging is what happened, your muscle tone decreases. Bumababa siya. Nakuha niyo po, nagsasag siya. Kaya importante na meron kayong exercise. Kaya nga ito po, friends, if you cannot do burpees, it's okay. At least do push-up. Alam niyo ba ang push-up ng mga babae? Janine, can you demonstrate the push-up ng mga babae? Janine, ano ba naman yan? O, nakaporma ka na ako. Janine, here. Push-up ng mga babae. Show them. Ay, nako, Janine. Please, show them how to do the push-up ng mga babae. Go. Sige na, Janine, ang arte. Para po. Okay. Bigyan mo. Push up ng mga babae. So, paano? Push up ng mga babae. Do 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, okay? 4, okay? And 5. Palakpakan naman natin si Janine. Congratulations. Hindi na nakikita. Okay? Are we learning so far? Okay, very good. Now, aside from the Active Plus, by the way, hindi ko i-discuss lahat ng products. So, yung kailangan lang natin inumin this 28-day challenge aside from the Nutrimilk. Okay? Next. Okay. So, lagpasan natin ng konti. Next product na kailangan natin is digestive enzymes. Importante po. So, the Active Plus, okay, help for what? Burning of visceral fats, anti-obesity, for thermogenesis, maliwanag, and it provides energy. That's the Active Plus. Now, digestive enzyme is so important. It is for your digestion. Bakit po? Okay. Pag sinabi nating digestive enzymes, friends, meron siyang mga enzymes like the amylase, bromelain, etc. that really target a specific content of the food. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Okay. Pero lagi niyo pong tatandaan, friends, once you have that digestive enzyme, importante po. Okay, ito po ang isa sa ginagawa ko na meron kang tamang sleeping pattern. Kasi kahit gaano kadami ang tinitake mo digestive enzymes, kung altered ang sleeping pattern mo, okay, hindi po maganda ang metabolism, hindi maganda ang digestion. Kaya kami, one of the essential na tinitake namin every day bago kami matulog, 30 minutes is what? Ano yung pampatulog natin? Pure rest. Very, very important. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Okay? So, mentor, ang dami mo palang ininom. Yes. Kaya auto-order namin sa amin pala. Okay? Now, isa-isayin natin siya. Amylase breaks down starch. Ang starch, pag hindi po siya na-breakdown, it can lead to carbohydrates. Carbohydrates can add up to your fats. Okay? Next, bromelain breakdowns protein. What are the sources of energy? Fat, protein. Kaya kailangan na-breakdown ka agad si protein. Next, cellulase. Yan naman po ang nag-breakdown ng mga cellulose. Cellulose, pag hindi siya na-breakdown, it can lead to fructose. Okay? A type of sugar. Kaya po, friends, yung mga fructose-rich foods, hindi rin siya advisable. Like banana. Nakuha niyo po, hindi yan advisable. Once a day, especially kung meron kang jogging, okay siya. Source of potassium. Pero sabihin mo, 3, 4, no. Okay? Ang Nutrimilk ko po, lagi may banana. Kasi I do basketball. I need the potassium. Okay? Another one, lactase breakdowns lactose. It is a form of milk protein. Lipase break down the fat. Okay? Papain breakdowns protein and protease break down the protein. So digestive enzyme is very, very good. Okay? So kailan mo siya dapat iti-take? Take 1 to 3 tablets with a meal or as needed. So ano po, friends? Sino dito ang nagda-digestive enzyme with all honesty? Ilan ang tinitake mentor time? 3. How about you, mentor? 6. Wow, every meal. 2 every meal. Kami ni mentor, ganyan ang ginagawa. 4 naman kami. Lunch and then dinner. Sobrang mapipin. Nung nag-start kami mag-take nito, friends, hindi na namin nararamdaman yung feeling ko. Parang bloated. Alam mo yung feeling na parang ang tagal yung matunawan. Medyo nagkaroon kami ng konting argument ni Mentor Aaron nung nag-cruise kami. Kasi naiwanan niya to. Sa cruise pa. Kaya alam niyo po ang ginawa. Di ba, friend, doon sa taas. Ano yung sa taas natin doon? Yung eat all you can, hindi talaga ako nag-rise. Kasi I know, eto friend pag na-feel mo yung pagiging bloated, ano yung isa sa nasisira sa iyo? Parang feeling mo nawawala yung momentum. Etong 28-day challenge, ang isa sa kailangan natin alagaan, hindi lang yung food intake, hindi lang yung sleeping intake, yung sleeping pattern, hindi lang yung water intake. Kailangan natin alagaan yung habit. Nakuha niyo po yung point? Okay. Now, what are the signs of unhealthy gut? Sino dito yung pagkatapos kumain, feeling mo gusto mo ng sweets? That's a sign of unhealthy gut. That's a sign of unhealthy gut. Now, mentor, paano ko na malalaman? Gusto ko talaga mag-sweet. Mag-toothbrush ka or mag-mouthwash ka. Very, very important. Or mag-Mentos ka na zero sugar, zero calorie. Kaya kami ni Mentor, lagi kami merong toothpaste. Like, you know, hindi ito effective. Kasi wala. Alam niyo, friend, very, very important na meron ka talaga at least toothbrush na kit kasama sa'yo in every day. Hindi lang to po. It can really control your craving. Ito kasi ang problem sa sugar. Pag nag-dessert ka, you want to have more even though you're full. And I'm sorry for the words, but I need to say this. One sugar intake can really destroy your momentum. Nakuha niyo po yung point. For example, 7 days, consistent ka na. And then parang feeling mo, I deserve this. Yung mga ganyan kang eksena I deserve this. Ay, medyo na-stressed ako. Maliwanag. Mag-milk tea ako ng konti. Biko, diba? I will give you the trick. I will give you the tip. You want to fight that? You want to fight that? For example, ganito parang feeling mo, 1 week ako nagkumakaw. 1 week ako medyo parang kailangan ko naman break, mga pwedeng say. Tama? Imbis na kumain ka na sweet, or i-fulfill mo yung craving mo, ilabas mo yung craving mo in a form of energy. Nakuha niyo po yung point. You can do exercise, you can do walking, anything na may movement that can divert your attention from that. Pinto, lisod, mahirap talaga sa umpisa, friend. Pero kailangan yung labanan. Nakuha nyo, kaya I am not a fan of binge eating. May mga instructor na ganyan yung sinasabi na mag-workout ka ng 5 days, on the 6th day, sige, you can eat whatever you want. I'm not a fan of that. Kasi iniiba mo yung metabolism mo, iniiba mo yung digestion. Pero ang pinakamalupit din, yung psychological effect. 28-day challenge, okay, it is a challenge of will and power. Patibayan to ng mindset. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Okay? Now, what are the signs of unhealthy gut? Stomach upset, food intolerance, sugar craving, unexplained weight changes. Parang nasagot na yung tanong mo kanina, friend. Unexplained weight changes, allergies, fatigue, autoimmune conditions. Pag palagi ka nagkakaroon ng ubon-sipon, one of the reason possible, unhealthy gut. Okay. Mars, parang kinuha mo na lahat. Parang nasa iyo na lahat. Kaya question, kailangan ba natin yung digestive enzyme? Yes. Very, very important. Alam niyo kung ano pa yung isa sa talagang tinitake namin everyday? Probiotic. Very, very powerful combination. Digestive enzyme plus the airplay passcode. Okay? Ano po ito?
Sa TV? Oh.
So, paano natin siya gagawin, friend? Parang product training din naman. By the way, I learned this so far. By the way, friends, na-train ko na to last year, ha? Recap lang tayo. Pero, are you still learning?
Yes.
Yeah. Ang wag nyo lang gagawin, friend, is this. You take the active class, and then, ang taas ng caffeine intake mo. Magpapalpitate ka. Kasi thermogenesis plus the caffeine, mag-adjust talaga si lawas.
Paano malaman ito?
Ang sabi kasi, friend, ang based sa research, the normal, supposed to be you're taking a natural coffee. Yung not 3-in-1 or not in a sugar. Ang advisable at least 2, 1 to 2 a day. 3 to 5, 3, 4, 5, okay, possible ka, friends, for cardiovascular diseases, hypertension. 6 to 10, it can lead to brain problems like Alzheimer's, insomnia. Caffeine is effective. Caffeine is good. Kasi caffeine can also burn fats. Nakuha niyo po yung point, pero anything in excess is not good. Let's move forward. Learning so far, yes or no? Very good. So skip ko to, friends. Okay, I want to focus dun sa mga magagamit natin products that can help us for this challenge. Para po dun sa mga hindi sumali sa challenge, it's okay. Meron ako mga downlines na hindi sumali sa challenge. Hindi sila nagpa-register. Okay? But they are still part of the 28-day challenge. Kasi ang goal ko sa kanila, sabi ko sa kanila, you need to be in this program. Not because we want the points. 100 points lang yan. But me as your mentor, I want you to be healthy. Nakuha niyo po? Please. Yeah, it's a campaign. Nakuha niyo po, it's a campaign, it's a movement, it's an advocacy. Okay? Now, let's talk about the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. Question. Importante ba na meron tayong good bacteria? Yes. Importante rin ba na meron tayong bad bacteria? Yes. That's what you call homeostasis, the balance in our gut, in our stomach. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Ngayon, ito po yan. Kaya di ba before, sobrang sikat ng Yakult. Yes. Pag may nung mga millennials, alam niyo na, pag may naglalako ng Yakult, naglalaway na ako. Asong mahal ng Yakult eh. Pero lamig. Hanggang ngayon, they are very, very in demand. Pero pag naiintindihan nila yung content ng Yakult, medyo merong disadvantage. Okay? Ngayon, pag sinabi natin good and bad bacteria homeostasis, non-digestive disorder, it can, okay, promote strong immune system, losing weight, reducing allergy, and mood improvement. Okay? Kaya lagi niyo pong tandaan, friends, isa sa mga reason, okay, kung bakit medyo moody ang isang tao, may problem sa digestion. Pansinin mo, friend, ito, pag bloated ka, ang bagal ng processing. Ganito na lang, pag nag-take ka ng sugary foods, parang feeling mo parang ang bagal ng thought process. Sluggish. I remember Mentor Rob when he discussed, sabi ko ganyan, may power pa siya sa intensity. Hindi pa ako kumakain right now, but it really helped me to maintain my focus. Mas sharp ka, mas mabilis ang concentration. Okay, now, pag sinabi natin USANA Probiotics, tandaan po natin, friends, it supports the health of your digestive tract, at the same time helps promote better digestion. Ito po, pwede nyo po itong post. Okay? Pwede nyo po yung i-post. That's very, very, hindi po kayo mako-compliant dyan. Okay? Now, pag sinabi natin what is probiotic, first thing first, a probiotic is a live bacteria, okay, that is found naturally in the body that can also be found in the supplements or food. Probiotics can be extremely beneficial to your health, especially digestive health, digestion. Okay. The human digestive system is a delicate balance of both good and bad bacteria, the homeostasis called microflora. Okay? Good bacteria, bad bacteria, tawag dyan microflora in the digestive tract. The secret is finding proper balance of microflora with the help of probiotic. It supports better absorption and better digestion. Friend, to achieve this, kailangan scientists. I will repeat. To achieve the homeostasis or the balance or the microflora, kailangan ang gumagawa ng probiotic ay scientists. Because we are talking about not thousands of bacteria here. We are talking about million to billions of bacteria. Konting alteration sa good or bad, mako-compromise si microflora. Pag na-compromise ang homeostasis or the microflora, magkakaroon ng problema sa absorption and digestion. Yan po yung concern ko sa Yakult. Hindi balance. Do you follow? Aside na mataas si sugar, hindi balance yung microflora. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Kaya pag may nag-share ng probiotics sa amin, for example, may mga napapresentan kami na may mga probiotics sila, ano ko tinatanong, anong bacteria nyo? Hindi ko tinatanong, anong good bacteria nyo? Anong bad bacteria? Hindi ko tinatanong. Saan galing? Sinong gumawa? Saan na-formulate? Yun yung una mong ina. Because that is what? Very, very sensitive. To maintain the home, our body have the natural way to maintain the balance. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Nakuha niyo po. Yung pagpasok ng calcium sa buto, yung paglabas ng calcium sa buto, may tamang balance po yan. Maliwanag. Yung paglabas ng thyroid hormones for metabolism, may tamang paglabas po yan. Kaya ito po, friends, kung kukuha ka ng probiotics sa external source, kailangan po very, very credible yung gumawa. Now, what's the good thing about probiotics? Okay. Ang nakakatuwa po sa probiotic ng USANA, okay, a carefully selected blend of probiotic bacteria that can survive the harsh environment of your stomach to support your healthy digestion and immune function. Importante po, friends, na yung nasa probiotics are the bacteria that can survive the hydrochloric acid in your stomach. It's a harsh environment. Nakuha niyo po. Okay. Kaya what are the health benefits? Number 1, probiotics tayo ng USANA. Support healthy digestion, modulates body natural immune response, contain 12 billion, not million, 12 billion of colony-forming bacteria per serving, and incorporates live and active cultures. Pero ano yung pinaka-nakakatuwa po sa ating USANA products? Okay? Ang USANA products po natin, friend, okay, ang bacteria na meron siya is what we call the Bifidobacterium and the Lactobacillus. And they are what? They are the best strain, okay, that documented to survive, okay, the acidic and harsh environment of the stomach. Nakuha niyo po yung point. So the best combination talaga for a better digestion is 1, digestive enzyme and your probiotic. Okay? Klaro tayo, friends? Okay, so yung susunod kong topic, hindi ko na po ito itutuloy kasi out of stock siya right now. Alam nyo kung ano siya? Electrolytes. Okay? Tinanong ko na si Ma'am Wendy kung kailan darating si electrolytes. Wala pa daw. Wala pang date. At naghahanap na po talaga kami because very, very good ang electrolytes for muscle recovery. Okay? Hindi lang siya to replenish the fluid and electrolytes in our body, pero kung meron kayong physical exercise, sobrang ganda po ng electrolytes for the muscle recovery. What I found out is this, hesperidine of the Active Plus can also promote muscle healing. Nakuha niyo po. So what I do, friends, after my workout, I also take another one. Okay? So yeah. So what are the products right now that can really benefit us? Number 1, Active Plus. Number 2, your digestive enzyme. And number 3, your probiotics. Some other time, pag-uusapan naman natin, Hepasil and your Nutrimil. But for now, doon muna po tayo. Okay? So meron ba tayong questions? Go ahead. Do not take it 7 p.m. onwards. Hindi po.
Yung ano? Kasi explanation.
Ako, friend, tinitake ko siya 7 p.m. onwards. Kasi ang basketball namin sa Cocalio, 6 p.m. Okay? So, okay siya sa akin. Okay siya basta may activity ka. Ngayon, kung wala kang activity at nag-take ka niyan, mahirapan ka matulog. Kasi your body really wants to move because of the thermogenesis. Ganito yung friend. Pag nag-iinit ka, you need to move. Maliwanag. Sabi nga ni Mentor RN, mahal, ayoko ng Active Plus. Sabi ko, bakit? Kasi hindi naman siya, parang feeling niya daw uneasy siya. Kasi sa wala siyang movement. Nung gumalaw-galaw na siya, doon niya naramdaman, ang ganda pala ng Active Plus. So, yun yung explanation doon. Hindi mo makukuha yung tamang sleeping pattern kasi you want to move because your body is generating heat. Nagpo-produce siya ng heat because of the green tea extract. Okay? Ako, tinitake ko 2, 6 p.m. Kasi kumbati ang mga kokalyong team. Lalo na si Chester. Batak, ganyan, batak. Tinitake ko ng Active Plus one time. Naging hyper. Go ahead, Mentor.
Before exercise this morning, 2, 3.
Ako po, friend, ganito po. Pinapattern ko ang Active Plus depende sa activity ko.
So
Hindi ko siya tinitake, friend, ng kunyari nakalagay every morning or lunch, no. Pinapattern ko siya sa activity. Tina-timing ko siya. Because thermogenesis, okay, and the hesperidine, diba, nagbe-burn siya ng calories, it is really effective kung meron kang physical movement.
I wish on empty stomach.
Ako, friend, na empty stomach. Basta maraming water. Basta maraming water.
Before workout, pre-workout.
Pero ito po, I don't know sa may mga ulcer condition. That I need to research. Pag may mga ulcer, hyper or GERD, hindi ko pa siya nare-research. Hindi ko pa siya nare-research. I need to research on that.
I'll try.
Wag, friend. Wag, i-research ko na lang. Mentor, wrong decision. Hindi ko pa siya na-experience.
Pwede siya.
Aralin ko tomorrow. Balikan ko ka. Advisable talaga ang mga USANA products with meals or after meals because the ingredients of USANA products, they are very absorbable with foods. Nakuha niyo po yung point? Pero hindi naman nilagay na contraindicated na dapat pag empty stomach may mangyayaring masama. Wala namang ganun. Okay?
Electrolytes
after activities. Ang ganda ng research ni Mentor Rob. Electrolytes plus the Biomega can really promote, ano yung sabi niya? Kalimutan ko. Basta it's about the brain neurotransmitter. Okay? So, may question pa tayo? So, assignment natin, Mentor Regan, Mentor Tanya, please do your group chat tonight. And then, paki-add po ako. Ang goal natin, next week na, kasi what will be the date next? February 10. Tama? Saturday, kailangan 1 kilo tayo. 1 kilo tayo. Non-negotiable. Wait lang.
Yeah, for those that didn't register, join the campaign para you feel like you're one with the
Correct.
One with the company ba?
Totoo.
Kasi we have a lot of associates also na hindi makatimbang. Kasi they don't have the weighing scale.
Correct.
But nag-join sila sa campaign.
Tsaka, you know what, ito po, friend, business side na siya, business side. Mas tumaas, yung mga inactive namin mga business partners, nag-active sila because they want to join the movement. They want to join the campaign. And ako talaga sa mentor, ako talaga gusto ko lang talaga maging healthy yung mga downlines ko. Nandun na ako sa ganung level. Gusto ko talaga sila maging healthy. And syempre, para maging healthy yung mga downlines natin, kailangan magsimula sa atin. Nakuha niyo po yung point. Okay? And I really praise God kasi the other day, nagkaroon kami ng game. Nagkaroon kami ng game sa Ateneo. Okay? Ateneo parents, and then nag-start yung game ng 8 na human ng 10. Sobrang tagal. Usually 1 hour lang ang basketball. And doon talaga sa Ateneo parents, may mga ibang networking din like Natasha, Intra, yung mga ganun. Pero sa akin, friends ko sila lahat. But during the game, sabi ng mga commissioner, sponsor mo ng USANA. Sabi ng mga commissioner, bro, mag-take na talaga kami ng tinitake mo. Sabi ko, nga naman, doon ko na assess friends na for 2 hours, hindi ako kasi I just want to win. Hindi ako nagpa-change. And yun pala, inoobserbahan na nila ako. And then after the game, we won man. After the game, puro sugat lang ako. Ang dami ko ng sugat. After the game, the commissioner approached me. Sabi niya, bro, I'm really serious about dun sa ipatake natin yung mga parents ng USANA. Tapos sabi ko, yes bro. Sabi ko, meron akong ibibigay na blender bottle, mga ganito. Pero I can give you also an Active Plus. Yun yung tinitake namin. Right now, meron na kaming at least madami-dami na rin kaming users doon. Pero right now na ipapagamit din sa mga parents, that's really a breakthrough. Not for the business, but it's a breakthrough for me sa advocacy ko na matulungan talaga sila. Kasi doon naman mag-start yung friend, perspective. Pag ang perspective mo always money, mahirapan. Pero kung ang perspective mo is you really want to help, mas madali. Hindi ka nila makikita na recruiter. Makikita ka nila as a person with a vision. Yun yung nakakatuwa doon. So yung energy mo is coming from your vision. Kaya kayo, sinasabi ko po friends, kailangan nyo maging healthy. Kailangan nyo ipakita sa kanila na I'm really the product of my product. Yes. Kailangan nakikita nila sa iyo. Okay? Kaya yan yung pinagpipray namin ni Mentor. Kaya right now, very, I'll use the word, medyo strict talaga ako. Doon sa mga downlines ko nakasama. Sinecheck ko talaga sila daily. Nakapag-exercise na ba kayo? At least walking. Ano yung kinain nyo sa first meal? O nagre-report. Yung isa nakakatuwa from States, pupunta siya dito. Sabi niya, mentor, isasend ako sa yung video. Alam niyo yung ginagawa niya, friend? Nag-squat sa CR ng aeroplano. 16 hours man ang biyahe niya. Nag-squat talaga siya. Kaya talaga siya. Kala ko nagpupupo. Si Bonba. Sabi ko, bro, thank you for your commitment. Pag nanalo ka, bro, ipopost talaga niya. So, ayun lang naman, friends. And pinaka nakakatuwa dito, if we will do this, we can really glorify God. Kasi mas magagamit niya yung katawan natin according to His design. So, let's end with a prayer. Heavenly Father, Lord, we thank you so much, Lord, for this time of gathering, Father God. We thank you, Lord, for the learning that you impress to our hearts, Father. Lord, I pray for the people in front of me. I pray for our ministry, for the USANA family, Lord, that may you continue, Lord, to guide our motivation. Continue, Lord, to use us mightily, Father. And we know, Lord, that we are in USANA for your purpose and for your plan. Use us, Lord, and we love you so much. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Thank you so much, coaches and friends. So natapos tayo ng 9 o'clock. Bakit kailangan tayo matapos 9 o'clock? Para 10 makauwi na kayo at 10 makatulog na. Okay?
Sleeping patterns.
Sleeping patterns.